When a loved one dies, you want to write a meaningful and memorable obituary for them. Here are the 6 basic steps of how to write an obituary. Start the obituary by announcing the death. The first sentence or two could include lots of important facts: name, age, where they lived, the date of death, and more. A typical first sentence might read, "Winnie Jackson, 86, of Springfield, Ohio, died at home of natural causes on June 14, 2022. If you prefer, you can say passed away, left this world, or another such expression. After you've announced the death, tell your loved one's life story. Where did they grow up? What schools did they attend? What work did they do? What groups were they involved with? These facts will help identify their obituary for anyone who knew them in the past. But you can also go beyond these basic facts and remember the details that made your loved one so special. You can tell a favorite story that they like to laugh about, or talk about what was most important to them, or even say what you'll miss the most. This isn't a complete biography, just the highlights. Share a favorite memory or two. Next, list their family members. Most obituaries name the surviving family members of the person who has died, as well as those who died previously. Some large families will list immediate family members by name, and then summarize additional relatives, 8 grandchildren, 16 great-grandchildren, and many nieces and nephews. However, you can choose to include anyone you feel is important to name, including devoted caregivers, lifelong friends, and even pets. Next, add the details about their funeral events. Include the dates, times, and locations of the visitation, funeral, burial, memorial service, and/or any other funeral gatherings. Also include the name of the funeral home so that people can contact them with any questions about the services or sending flowers. Be sure to indicate if services are private. You may want to request charitable donations in your loved one's memory. You can add an address or link for a specific charity, or you can suggest that friends donate to a charity of their own choice. You may also request donations to the family to help with funeral expenses. Finally, you may want to select a photo to have published with the obituary. This offers a personal touch and helps bring the obituary to life. A portrait or close-up of your loved one's face usually works best. The photo can be recent or from their youth. It's up to you. In the end, all these elements come together to make a complete obituary that's respectful, informative, and meaningful to share with family and friends. Once your obituary is written, you can visit Legacy.com to publish it in your local newspaper as well as online. Follow Legacy.com on YouTube or Facebook for more obituary news and information.